announcements.
He's the great magician. He's very funny. He even managed to fool head and tail. It's a great show. If you want to visit, we'll see you there at 7:30 or 9:30. Go on to get the great remarkable ball.
There goes Carnival Glory.
Sailing party.
So here's the menu. These are your wines and bubblies. Almost forgot to do this. Appetizers, soups and salads, entrees. With your drink packet or with your meal package, you get to pick one, and then pick one, and then you can have 2 sides. That's what she said. And a dessert. So I think we're gonna be full. What do you think?
Yes.
This is a whole...
Like dessert. We'll see.
Remember, this is a whole new experience for us, so this is gonna be interesting. We'll see. Okay, so bread's arrived. Ooh, look at this.
Top of the sesame seed.
All right, we're ready. Take a look at that.
Check that now.
That is huge.
Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That's how big that shrimp is.
That's crazy big.
So.
And then look, I got a crab cake and a glass of wine. I am so excited. All right, guys, we are going to enjoy our food, aren't we, honey?
Yes, and the bread was delicious.
Oh yes, that's very tasty.
Yes.
And I used the right proper knife to butter
I
it.
used my mama's butter knife. A real butter knife.
All right, we got more coming.
Yum yum.
All right, so here's Daniel's clam chowder.
Clam chowder with my little oyster crackers.
Little crackers. And then I got some gumbo with some rice. Alrighty.
Yeah, buddy.
Yum, yum. Time to eat. Alright, our mains have come. We have potatoes, Fisherman's Wharf, some veggies, and then guess what?
You got all
I had the same thing. We picked the same food.
We'll let you know how it goes.
Yes, sir. We sure will. Alrighty. Bye. So this is the dessert menu. Marjorie took care of us tonight. She did an amazing job.
Very good, very good.
So we did the very first dessert, which was the chocolate mousse with chocolate ice sorbet.
Sorbet, yes.
Caramelized popcorn. So we are gonna give this. Oh, look at that. Oh,
That's what it looks like inside.
that cross cut. Yummy. I wish you could smell it, like smell-o-vision. It smells pretty good too.
That's what that looks like inside too.
It's sorbet ice cream, you silly. All right, we're gonna enjoy this. All right, so we've come to see John Pierre and a magic show. We will let you know if we can film any of it, but if not, we'll just have to give you our personal experience. What do you think, baby?
Our rendition.
A rendition. All right.
Be judged or not be judged. That is the question. We will be judged. Yes, we'll let you know how it goes.
Alrighty. Stay tuned.
Norwegian Breakaway, your long-awaited cruise vacation has finally arrived. If you're excited to be here, I want to hear you make some noise.
Do we have any fans of magic?
Yeah!
Then you came to the right place. This gentleman is absolutely fantastic. Sit back, relax, prepare to laugh, prepare to be amazed, because here on the Breakaway, ladies and gentlemen, it is now showtime!
This is so easy, anybody could do it. So I was wondering if maybe, Miss Allison, you could help me out with this one? Okay. Nice round of applause for her, yes. It's very easy. Are you comfortable? As much as you can be. I'm gonna put this down, okay? Okay. But wait, I think we can even go a little bit more down.
Can we now?
Just a little bit, trust me. A little bit down like so. And over here. Thank you for your patience. I'm just put it over here.
Nobody wants to be this short, you know that, right?
And now, carry-on luggage.
Okay. It bothers me more this way than anything else, but I hate to say this to a French Canadian, but you fooled us.
So, hello, lovely people! Good evening!
Good evening!
Yes! House lights, I want to see the lovely people. The lovely people. Yes, everybody's here! Because it's free! And kids, we have kids. Make some noise, kids! I love kids. Barbecue. Alright! Come on in. You're late. It was a sale at Tommy Bahama. Come on in. The Golden Girls are here. We can start. Can we get you guys anything? Like a watch? Okay! Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, what is the magic? Yes, my name is JP Jean-Pierre from Montreal, Canada. And we're from Canada. Anybody from Montreal? Do you speak French? Hey! Bonjour, bonjour! It's my dad. Hey! So, yeah, we're gonna do some magic. Magic and interactivity. What does that mean? It means I'm gonna you, the audience, to participate with me on stage. Are you excited?
There we go! Let's go! Awesome! tonight has been so fun.
Yep.
And exhausting.
So let's see, what have we done since the last time we talked to them?
Dinner. Let me tell you.
Dinner was pretty good.
Pretty good.
We ate at that
Ocean Blue.
Ocean Blue, yes. The bread, oh, that's to die for.
Yep. Crab cakes. Yes.
Crab cakes was good.
Fish. I had the fisherman's platter, which you guys saw. And so did Daddy over here, Daniel. And let me tell you, it was good. Really good. I'm not a big octopus fan and stuff, so, you know. The fish, amazing. Yeah. Dessert, wow. That was really good.
Yeah, what was that called? The chocolate?
Oh, wow. I will have to link that down below after looking at our videos because I cannot remember. Wow, but it was really, really good.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Y'all just saw it. Yeah, because we did record it.
So then we went to a comedy show and
well, it was actually
magician.
A magic show.
Yeah.
But I think he was made more for a comedian.
Yes.
So,
it was amazing.
Okay, he mixed both together and did a lot of calling the audience up there for his little skits and stuff, and it was hilarious.
Really, really good.
Yes,
I have to say, he was incredible. So,
and then we got out of there.
Yeah.
And then we went over to, what's the name of that club?
We went to the Bliss.
Bliss.
Yeah. The Bliss Lounge Club, I think.
And they had a DJ in there. We ran into Rooster and his little entourage. And just partied the night away. And it's like, what, after 2 o'clock in the morning now?
Yeah. We have to get up at 7 a.m. So we're going to
go ahead and call this a day.
Call this a day. That is for sure. Yes, I agree.
So keep in touch. We'll have day 2 coming out.
Yep.
And
make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and you know, turn the little bell on so that way you'll know when we upload some new vlogs. So for now, we're just going to tell you on this very, very early morning that
we're Hoovers on the move.
We're Hoovers on the move.
And we're out.
We're out. Good night.